Hello students, this is an important announcement video for the upcoming May 21, November 21 live batch. This students would be 100% live English batch, primarily which we are going to do it for the first time now. Apart from there are some other variants. What are they? I'll explain you through this particular video. Students, we are already doing primary for Hindi particular, again for Hindi batch there is a separate 100% Hindi particular recording batch, a live batch which are there for Hindi medium students like in Hindi as well. And this is a 100% English particular English recording lecture that we are going to conduct. Students, here this is approximately, like, I just will run through this schedule and I'll just quickly will tell you about the scheme of the entire batch and the scheduling part of it. 69 lectures approximately that will be there for this particular batch. Now you will find here particulars live batch with real-time query session. Because it's a live batch, so obviously the option of asking the query at the same point of time would be there. There is another batch which would be a recorded batch with the live query session. What does it imply? It implies that students immediately after the lecture or during the break time, whatever it be, they can keep on asking the query and the students would be replied to their queries and their concerns. And the third category is your existing batch, which anyways is already available, which is there, which was always the case, G drive batch, which is known as a flexible batch. So the start date, students, if you see now here, 16th of June 2020 is when we are starting for May 21, November 21 attempt. And the recorded batch with live query session would be on 21st of June 2020. G drive batch, flexible, 1st of July 2020. Please have a look to the days and the times as well. Here, TTS, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, evening, 6:15 to 9 p.m. And on Sunday, students, it will be in the morning, 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. So that will be the timing so far as the lectures are concerned. For the purpose of your next one, which is your recorded batch, again, TTS, which is there, and on Sunday, 7:30 to 10 a.m. Now, here, some students may have the concern, say, what if we happen to miss out on any of the sessions? So you will have to first of all give us a prior intimation about the topic that you are going to miss upon, so that we will be making this particular lectures available to all of you in your particular respective this thing. So if you can just let us know that this particular session you have not attended it, like that, either before the lecture or immediately after the lecture, so that we will be giving you the bank primary so that you can view that lecture and be ready for your next class. This is the benefit of this particular thing, so that on a live basis, what used to be the case, you will be trading off your sessions, you will be finishing it off with your sessions. That is very important. And as I told you, the backup support would always be there. And the backup support is that if at all you will not be in a position to attend any of the sessions, do let us know primarily either in advance or immediately, may be after the lecture, so that we can provide you the backup session for the same. So that is the facility which is available in that regard. Now, this is a facility also for the recorded batch, primarily the recorded batch with live query session. You'll say the advantage, students, is that we have seen that students try to postpone and then thereafter they end up having a huge pile of the subjects to be covered towards the end of their when they are nearing to their examination. So this is more like a discipline front, but nevertheless there is no hard and fast rule. There are some students who are self-motivated, self-disciplined. Definitely they can go with the existing batch, which is the G drive batch, and that batch is always available to the students. Now, the 5 colorful book would be given to all of the students for the direct tax regular batch. This is what we do. And now the concern of the students would be, what about the internet part? So students, here is about the normal internet facility which is applicable, the way we see the YouTubes and all. So that is primarily the kind of a normal internet facility would be there, would be required. And as far as your G drive batch is concerned, for that the internet facility would be required in the first 10 minutes of every lecture. Of every lecture, first 10 minutes, the internet facility, students, would be required. That exactly how it will be in this context. Now, students, for the first 100 students, because I think now even the COVID situation, many students have requested primarily that we should just consider this very tough time. We have considered this tough time, and students, we are giving a very overwhelming discount for, but this would be for the first 100 students, which we have already have proposed. And as compared to our existing rate, we have slashed it down to a significant extent. But as I told you, this facility we are giving it to only the first 100 students only. So that is the case which has been there. Secondly, students, as a support, we have also tied up primarily with other very good faculties for English particular subject, for English recording, like PK sir is also there, and PK sir for the SCMP, and Tarun Raj sir for your IDT. So therefore, with all these very star faculties, what we have done is that we have ensured that the combo, we could make it available to all of you, and you can complete your group 2 at a very concessional price. So you have also the combo facility of these faculties primarily. So I will be taking the direct tax and also the elective part, but elective part, students, you do it later on if you are thinking of doing international taxation primarily. And also for economic law, uh, Purnavas sir is there, who would be providing with our combo particular facility. Purnavas Jayakumar sir for economic law, he will be giving the this particular elective paper at a concessional price. So the entire idea, students, is that to, like, individually, whether it is individual or it is collective for the entire group, or the combinations of the subjects within the group, students are in a position to do it in a most cost effective manner. This is precisely what we have planned for all of you. So you have the choice available and you can take a call accordingly. One last particular point, students, which I wanted to tell is that I will also be conducting the demo sessions on the live batch approximately around 9th of June onwards. So those students who will be opting for the live batch, if you want to know the real-time experience, the classroom feel, probably you can start enrolling for it for this WhatsApp number I am already have given to all of you. So you can always register yourself in that particular thing. Details will be required. So accordingly, you will be then up for the demo lectures also, and on that basis you can freeze the batch well in advance. Did you all got this one, students? So this is precisely how it will be considered, and accordingly now, students, with all the best of the content and the quality, and without compromising any of the aspect, on the contrary, we are improvising to what existing to what we have delivered so far. We have improvised, and that too now at a very, very cost effective measure. See, the crisis always creates an opportunity. Primarily because of this crisis situation, this opportunity of live streaming came across, which was not there earlier, primarily for all of us. So this is the opportunity, students, and I'm telling you, you'll have the real-time facility, and the way you'll think of that I am missing the classroom and all, this will simply go out with our new added features which are being there. So see you then very soon, students. I've given you the number primarily, and in our DSTC app, the details would be there. WhatsApp number is given to all of you. You can just connect it, do register for the demo sessions primarily, and thereafter freeze into the batch. As I told you, it is only for first 100 students that we have kept the option open for what? For the entire live particular session. So therefore, this is what we are giving it, live sessions and the second batch. First 100 students, we all are giving at a concessional price, for which I think this would be known to all of you. It will be told to all of you. See you then, students, and all the best. Thank you.